Alright everyone, so today I got this silicone intake coupler for the Q5. So I am going to go ahead and install it. I'm going to give you a before and after video of what it sounds like trying to get this so that it replaces this section right here and this muffler so you can hear the supercharger better on this. Right now, driving it, you cannot hear the supercharger at all and it's kind of disappointing. So we're going to put this silicone coupler on. It's supposed to make it a lot louder. And I may or may not cut the airbox. We will see. If I do, I'll cut a section out down here just so you can hear it better. But let's go ahead and jump right into this. Okay, in order to get this stock one off, you are going to need a flathead screwdriver. Just unscrew this fitting. And this one right here. And gently remove this piece right here, this hose. Unclip that, and pull that clip off. Just like that easy to pull it off. And if you look inside here, you can see all kind of baffles and a resonator box and everything else that just quiets down a supercharger, so we're gonna go ahead and delete that. So in the box you get the silicone coupler, 2 new clamps, and the new fitting for this hose back here. So obviously they're 2 different sizes. The bigger side goes on the air intake box, and the smaller side goes on the throttle body side. So we got those slipped on there. Just gonna go ahead and fit it down in here. Get this side one first. So this is very sticky, just being silicone, the nature of it. So if it's too hard for you, you can always use like a little bit of WD-40 or something like that on the inside of here just to help it slip on better. Make sure you have it fully seated. Feel around down the bottom, make sure it's all the way on. And this one's all the way on. Tighten down. Now take your straight fitting that comes with it and press it into this hose and then into the coupler. And just like that, we're done. It's installed. Okay, so there you can hear it. It was a little bit louder, not a bunch louder. I think I'm gonna take his airbox apart and see if I can cut it or not, just to make it a little bit louder than that. There was a snow screen down in here on mine. I did take that out too. It will make your air filter a little dirtier and all that fun jazz, but I took it out just for the extra flow. Sure, it's not restricting that much. But yeah, that's how you install that part. And I guess it took me 4 minutes to install it. Looks a lot better. It doesn't have a muffler. It definitely sounds a little bit louder. I'm sorry, like I said, I have a flex pipe leaking on the driver's side on these, which is a pretty common problem, and no one makes part for it unless you buy the non-resonated down pipes. So we'll see. I'm still up in the air about what I'm going to do exactly for that. Okay, in order to get the airbox out, you're going to take all of these T25 Torx out, and then you can lift up on this section right here, pick that up. If you just lightly pull up on this section by the air filter box right here, it will pop out. And then there's one little clip right here that just sits down in there. If you lift straight up on that, the whole airbox will come out, and then you can pull it out. Now that I got the whole airbox out, looking at the top being this direction, I am going to drill out this hole right here. And that should give me extra sound, and it's gonna suck the air from kind of the inner fender well section down there. It might get a little engine heat, but not that much, hopefully. These engines have a bad problem with heat soak, so you wanna drop the intake air temps as much as possible. But like I said, I think it's gonna suck most of the air out from the inner fender well, so it shouldn't affect the air intake temps that much. So we'll go ahead and drill this out, and then we'll see what it sounds like from there. Less than ideal, I forgot that I have my hole saw at home, so I just used a drill bit and drilled a bunch of holes around it and then punched out the center. So you can do that yourself, really easy. All you need is a drill bit, and just like that. The bottom of this box is all drilled out, and we're gonna put it back together. All right, so right down there you can see where the cutout is, where we drilled, right there. Got it all back together, just put it back together the way it came apart. And now one last sound clip with the airbox cut. We'll see if it's a little louder. So I don't know how well you can pick that up, but I feel like the silicone coupler did a big increase. The cutting out the airbox made a slightly bigger increase. So with the cut airbox, like I cut it, and the silicone filter, I can finally hear the supercharger. Sounds a lot better. I'm eventually gonna do pulleys on this, and we'll see. It should be a lot louder after that as well. So finally be able to hear my supercharger, and that's how you install that. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out. Thanks for making it to the end. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll have more videos coming. Comment below if you want to see me do anything in particular, and I'll go ahead and do it for you.